In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a Microsoft Word page in just 5 minutes. Whether you're working on a report, crafting a book, or just organizing your documents, there might come a time when you need to duplicate content in your Word document. Maybe you've spent hours perfecting a page setup with the right combination of text, images, and formatting, and now you need to replicate that effort across multiple pages. Whatever the reason, Microsoft Word has got you covered, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. Let's start from the very beginning. Assuming you haven't already fired up Microsoft Word, let's get it open on your Windows computer. Head to the bottom left of your screen, where you'll find the Windows Start menu. This is your gateway to all the applications installed on your PC. With a single click on this icon, you're one step closer to duplicating your Word document page. Upon opening the Start menu, you'll notice a search bar waiting for your input. Here, type in Word to find Microsoft Word. As you begin typing, suggestions will appear, making it easy to spot the Microsoft Word application. Once you see it, click on it to launch the application. The efficiency of Windows search means you're just moments away from working on your document. Now that Microsoft Word is open, you're presented with the Word Home. Here you have the choice to start fresh with a blank document or dive back into one of your recent works. Go ahead and make your selection. If you're working on an existing document, find it in the list of recent documents and click to open. If you're starting new, clicking on blank document will get you a fresh page to work on. With your document open, navigate to the page or the content you wish to duplicate. Once you find it, it's time to select the text you want to copy. Click and drag your mouse over the text or use the Shift and arrow keys for more precise control. When your text is highlighted, it means you've successfully selected it. Next comes the magic of duplication using the simple but powerful copy and paste shortcuts. While your text is highlighted, press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. This hotkey command copies the selected text or objects into the invisible clipboard of your computer, a temporary storage space for your copied content. Don't see anything happening, don't worry, that's perfectly normal. It's all happening behind the scenes. After you've copied your content, it's time to place your duplicated content exactly where you need it. Simply navigate to the spot in your document where you want this copied content to go. It could be right below the original content or on a completely new page. Once there, press Ctrl+V to paste the copied content. Voila! You have successfully duplicated your text or page content. Remember, the process of duplication in Microsoft Word isn't just limited to text. This method works for images, tables, and other objects within your document. The trick lies in correctly selecting what you want to copy before using the copy and paste commands. As you can see, duplicating a page or content within Microsoft Word is quite straightforward. It's a simple series of actions. Find your Word document, open it, select your content, and use the copy and paste commands to duplicate it. This process becomes second nature with a bit of practice. Plus, it's a time saver for those lengthy projects requiring consistent formatting or repeated information. Now you might be wondering, what if I need to duplicate multiple pages? Well, the process is essentially the same. You would just need to select more content, perhaps by scrolling and highlighting across the pages you need, or by duplicating your actions across individual pages. So there you have it, a quick and easy guide to duplicating content in Microsoft Word. Whether you're a student, professional, or anyone in between, mastering this process will undoubtedly add efficiency to your document handling abilities in Microsoft Word. Now go ahead, give it a try and see just how simple it is to duplicate pages or content, streamlining your work and making your Word documents work for you. Remember, with a bit of practice, anything is possible. Happy duplicating.